All right, let's jump right in. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are fast-forwarding a bit and looking ahead to 2026. You know as well as I do that the business landscape is shifting incredibly fast right now. And honestly, if you want to scale up and actually make money in the coming years, you need the right tools in your corner. So today, we're breaking down your absolute essential business survival kit. We're going to walk through the top 9 AI tools you should really be implementing right now. I am super excited to guide you through this because the impact these specific tools can have on your daily efficiency is, frankly, just staggering.
But first, listen to this. It's a bit of a harsh reality check, but absolutely crucial to keep in mind. AI won't replace your job, but someone using AI might. Boom. We really need to establish those high stakes right out of the gate. This isn't just about playing with cool new tech. This is entirely about maintaining your competitive edge. People are always worrying about artificial intelligence just taking over entirely, but the reality we're seeing in the source material is much more practical. It's the humans who figure out how to harness these tools who are going to pull ahead. So understanding how to use what we're about to cover, it's not really optional anymore. It's essential.
And look, I get it. Part of the reason people hesitate to adopt this stuff is just the sheer volume of it all. There are over 500 different AI tools out there flooding the market as we speak, and that number is literally growing every single day. It's totally overwhelming, especially when you're trying to actually run a business. I mean, who has the time to test 500 different platforms? Nobody. And that is exactly why we are cutting through all of that noise today. We've distilled this massive, chaotic landscape down to just the top 9 absolute best tools that will actually save you time and boost your productivity.
Okay, let's get into it. Section 1, the Chatbot Corte, building the foundation. So to truly optimize your workflow in 2026, we have to move way beyond just using one general catch-all chatbot. We're looking at 4 highly specialized conversational assistants here, and each one has its own specific superpower. First up, we have Google's Gemini. Its superpower, analyzing videos and photos. If you've got visual data, this is the assistant you deploy, no questions asked. Next is Claude. Claude is your absolute go-to for coding and really deep, complex thinking. It's incredibly capable when you need to crack intricate logic problems. Then we have Llama. Llama's absolute standout feature is pure speed. When you need answers fast, like right now, Llama is your tool. And finally, there's Grok. Grok's unique advantage is that it provides uncensored replies, giving you raw, unfiltered information exactly when you need it. By knowing exactly which assistant to deploy for which specific task, you instantly multiply your productivity.
Moving right along to Section 2, building without coding. Oh man, this is where things get genuinely transformative for entrepreneurs. We're shifting to tools that literally do the heavy lifting of software creation for you. Remember when you needed a computer science degree to build digital products? Yeah, scratch that. Instead of traditional software development, which, let's be real, is expensive, takes forever, and requires deep technical knowledge, you have a tool called Lovable. Lovable is an absolute game changer. It allows pretty much anyone to start a software business, even if you don't know a single line of code. All you do is give your business idea to the tool. That's it. It analyzes the idea and automatically builds the whole website for you. It completely bridges that gap between having a cool idea and actually getting a functioning software product out on the market.
Next up, Section 3, speed and visual creation. These are the tools that take your everyday, mundane workflows and just drastically accelerate them. First, let's talk input speed. We're looking at a tool called Whisper. Whisper allows you to write up to 4 times faster simply by speaking instead of typing. But here's the real magic. It doesn't just transcribe everything word for word like older tools. It automatically removes all those unnecessary filler sounds we use when we talk, all the ums, the ahs, and it delivers perfectly accurate, clean text. Just imagine how much time you'd save drafting emails, reports, or content when you can just talk at your natural conversational speed and have a polished document appear instantly.
And on the visual front, you can bypass traditional design processes entirely, and you don't even sacrifice quality. First is 21FWA. I know, a bit of a mouthful of a name, but it is fascinating. It generates beautiful website designs that completely hide their AI origins. I mean, they look entirely human-made and custom designed. Then we have Nano Banana. This one is an image generation tool built on Gemini's framework. So if you need a logo for your business or high-quality custom images, Nano Banana can literally whip them up for you in just a matter of minutes.
All right, Section 4, clones and automation.
Okay, buckle up for this one, because this is where we take a massive leap in AI power to literally multiply yourself. We're talking completely hands-free workflows that run your business while you sleep. On one side, we have HeyGen. This is a visual AI clone tool that handles how you look on camera.
And then on the other side, we have 11 Labs, an audio AI clone tool that perfectly replicates exactly how you sound. When you combine this powerful duo, you can create a complete, flawless visual and audio AI clone of yourself. You can generate endless social media ads and videos featuring you speaking directly to the camera, and you never even have to sit down, set up the lights, or hit record. It's wild.
And this builds into full end-to-end automation using a tool called N8N. Think of N8N as the connective tissue between all your different apps. Here's a perfect example flow. Step 1. A new blog post is published on your website. N8N detects this and instantly triggers Step 2. An AI automatically takes that blog post text and creates a full video from it. And then comes Step 3. That brand new video is automatically posted straight to your Instagram. It runs this entire complex multi-step task completely on its own. You just write a blog post and the AI handles the whole marketing distribution.
Bringing us to Section 5, the Brain Trust, Data and Knowledge.
To actually secure your sensitive data and build a highly personalized, ever-present business brain for your specific company, we look to Granola and NotebookLM. Let's start with Granola. It sits in on your meetings, records them, and prepares all your crucial notes. But the real standout feature here is security. It keeps all of that sensitive meeting data secured locally, right there on your computer. Secondly, NotebookLM. This is an incredible tool where you just upload all your business's PDFs and Google Docs, and it basically absorbs all that knowledge. Whenever you have specific doubts or questions about your own business data, you simply ask NotebookLM. It knows your business completely from the inside out. It's essentially your ultimate, instantly accessible reference librarian.
And finally, Section 6, the Power of Prompting.
To ground all of this incredible technology back in reality, we have to ask a vital question. Are you actually giving the right instructions? Think about it. These 9 powerful tools can build websites, clone your voice, automate your marketing, and act as your digital brain. But they will only yield the absolute best results if they are given the correct prompts. You have to be the director here. So I highly encourage you to go out and test all of these tools, but always remember that your ability to give clear, precise instructions is the true key to extracting value from AI. Master your prompting skills, and you will absolutely secure your business survival kit for 2026 and beyond. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Make sure to share this knowledge with your team, and I will see it in the next one.